To recover a suspended TapTap Send account, follow these steps. First, understand why your account was suspended, which is usually due to violating the platform's terms of service. Common reasons include spamming, using fake information, or engaging in suspicious activity. Next, review the TapTap Send terms of service to ensure you understand what you did wrong and how to correct it. Make the necessary changes to your account to comply with the terms. Now, contact TapTap Send support via their official website or email. Provide your account information, explain the situation, and apologize for any mistakes. Be honest and transparent about what happened, and assure them it will not happen again. While waiting for a response, verify your account by providing identification and proof of ownership. This can include a government-issued ID, proof of address, or business registration documents. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Once you have submitted your appeal and verification documents, wait for a response from TapTap Send support. This may take several days or weeks, so be patient. If your appeal is approved, your account will be reinstated, and you can start using it again. To avoid future suspensions, always follow the platform's guidelines and best practices. Be cautious of suspicious activity, and report any spam or fake accounts to TapTap Send support. Regularly update your account information and ensure it remains accurate and secure. By following these steps and being proactive, you can recover your suspended TapTap Send account and continue using the platform safely and effectively. Remember to always comply with the terms of service and take responsibility for your actions to avoid future suspensions.